In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a super cool ghost effect in Premiere Pro. So on the timeline right here, I have a clip of a woman dancing with some flames, and I think this will make a really cool ghost effect. So to get started, I'm just going to duplicate this clip and make another clip on video track number 2. Then I'm going to select this clip and I'm going to right click and go into speed/duration. Inside of here, I'm going to lower the speed to 95%. And I'm also going to go into effect controls and I'm going to lower the opacity to 50%. You can lower this even lower if you want a more subtle effect, but for this tutorial, I'm choosing 50%. And then I'm going to trim the clip so I got a starting point. So on the second layer, I'm just going to trim the clip to about there. And I'm also going to find a point where I want to end the effect. So right around there, I think I will end it. So I'm just going to trim the last bit of the clip right here. And now we have something like this. But to make this a little bit smoother, let's go off to Effects and search for an effect called Cross Dissolve. And then we're just going to add the Cross Dissolve to the beginning and the end of the clip to make a more smooth transition between the non-ghost effect and when we want the ghost effect to appear. To learn even more about Premiere Pro, click on the video on the screen right now, and if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.